everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Since most of us are working from home these days during this pandemic times, and when we have to work, we sit for hours. And have you realized one thing, that working in a peaceful and calm ambience improves your efficiency as well? So today we'll see how to turn a dull and boring study room into a fresh and lively workspace. So let's get started. So this is our study room before makeover. We had 2 bean bags also here which got shifted to family hall. So I started with clearing up the shelves and cleaned it properly, and I took measurements for wallpapers that I ordered from Amazon. The wallpaper is plain glossy white and its purchase link is in the description box. And based on the measurements, I started cutting it to paste it on the shelves. It sticks easily with little effort only, however you can take somebody's help while sticking it. You can clear up the trapped air bubbles like this. Just keep pushing it towards the open end, and if some air is trapped in middle somewhere, you can use pin to prick and release it. And then I did the same to the other shelves also. And now it's time to arrange books on the shelves. Now here comes my custom made study table. We got it in white color, and that's the reason we chose white wallpaper also for shelves to match them with the table. Basically, I decided to keep everything in this room in white color so that the room looks spacious and not clumsy or congested. Now here comes another tip. Avoid putting too many items on your desk. You can buy a few ready-made shelves also and fix them above your table so that you can arrange your things whatever you need. Also, avoid putting plants on your desk, because while watering your plants, you can accidentally spill some water on your laptop. So instead of keeping plants on your desk, keep big size plants down next to the desk. Now here comes another tip. Always invest in a good quality ergonomic chair for your back and neck support, as you have to sit and work for hours, so it's really important. Don't ignore it. And then I arranged books and other stuff on the other shelf also. Now this is how both the shelves are looking after arranging. Now we'll decorate the window sides. I chose white sheer curtains which allows more light to the room, making it more bright. Then in one corner I kept a rug with a rocker chair for my son to sit and read, as he really loves reading books. We have kept his study table and chair in his room only. Then in another corner between both the windows, I arranged a floor lamp with few plants, as this area gets lots of sunlight throughout the day. So this is how it's looking, which completes the makeover. And this is the final look after makeover. The combination of white and green with lots of natural light coming into the room makes the study room so fresh and lively, isn't it? So how was it? I'm sure you must have found these tips useful. Please share your reviews through comments. And I will see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye-bye.